Okay, here's your project for the week. I have two things attached in Google Classroom. There's the Tidal Energy proposal, that's the actual project document, and then I have a list of resources available for you. And I may continue to add websites and information to this, so keep an eye on it. I'll announce in the stream if I've added information. So you need to use those three charts, the one for Hawaii, for California, and for Massachusetts, to decide where the best tidal energy power plant would be. I've also linked an article here that should help you, but this is what the document looks like. So first go in and put the name of your company. You get to decide what the name of your company is. All right. Then this is just the title. It's called the Tidal Energy. You don't need to change anything with that. Here is where you need to put the location of your plant. So you put the city and the state where you think the best tidal energy plant should be. Overview. This should be just a few sentences kind of outlining what this whole document is about. Why you think this location is the best place to build a tidal power plant. The data to support. You got to give me the highest high tide, use the chart, and the lowest low tide, and then use those numbers to give me the tidal range. Benefits. 3 benefits of building your power plant. It doesn't have to be building your power plant at that location, though it can be, but it's 3 benefits of building a tidal power plant. And if you can think of something that's specific to the place that you chose, of course include that. Evidence. You need to include 2 websites that support building your tidal power plant at your location. Now, as long as there's something that support tidal energy, they should be fine, okay? You can, as I add websites to your resources, look through those and see if there's one in particular that talks about your location, and you could include that. But 2 websites, 2 pieces of evidence that say, yes, this would be a great place to build tidal energy. Consequences, 3 negatives or obstacles to building your power plant where you've chosen. What's going to get in the way of building that power plant there, okay? And really, that's it. So some of this information will come straight from your notes, all right? You should have benefits and obstacles in your notes to tidal energy in general. And if you can't find anything specific for your site, then think about tidal energy in general. You need to, do your little summary there. 2 or 3 sentences is fine. You need to put in the math, the numbers from the charts that you looked at. And then you need to find some evidence on your own. And that's it. I put in the actual assignment here, I'm going to be available every day, Monday through Thursday, from 12:30 to 1 o'clock for Google Meet. If you're working on this project this week and you have a question and it'd be like if you wanted to come up to my desk at school and ask me a question. That half an hour, I will be at my computer working on whatever else. I will keep an eye on my email. It makes a noise. So just shoot me an email and say, I don't understand this. Can I quickly talk to you or ask you a question about it? So we can have that one-on-one. I can answer questions for you if needed. Really, that's all I have assigned for this week. You have vocab due on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, you're going to have a short assessment about your tide notes. It is really short, and you can use your notes, of course. Be prepared for a vocab quiz next week over 25, 26, and 27. I will not assign new vocab this week because we have a quiz next week. And then take the week to spend some time on this and think about any questions you have for me, okay? So good luck. Make sure you're looking over those charts.